4 benefits of regular exercise. Number 1. Exercise increases strength. Are you in a hurry to buy groceries or household chores? Regular exercise can improve your muscle tone and boost your endurance. Exercise brings oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and helps your cardiovascular system to function more efficiently. And as your heart and lung health improve, you gain more energy for daily activities. Number 2. Exercise promotes better sleep. Are you struggling to snooze? Regular physical activity can help you fall asleep faster, get better sleep, and deepen your sleep. You can either exercise very close to bedtime, or you may be able to fall asleep. Number 3. Exercise restores sparks in your sexual life. Do you feel that you are too tired to enjoy physical intimacy? Regular exercise can improve your energy levels and increase your confidence in your physical appearance, which can improve your sexual health. But there is more to it than that. Regular exercise may enhance women's sensitivity. And men who exercise regularly are less likely to suffer from erectile dysfunction than men who do not exercise. Number 4. Exercise can be fun and social. Exercise can be fun. They give you a chance to relax, enjoy the outdoors, or just do things that make you happy. Exercise can also help you to connect with family and friends in a fun way to socialize. So take a dance class, hike, or join a soccer team. Find a job that you enjoy, and then do it. Are you lonely? Try something new, or do something with friends or family. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel.